We are here with Triple Charm, wearing our collegiate collection, and we are going to wave away our worries. We are not going to look back, because we have a bright future. Yes, that's right. And we're going to start by pointing it down. Get low. Wind that clock. Other way. Gabby has erased you from her brain. She's moved on. Now party to the side, go! Step! Other way! Now swirl and slide, hey! Take it back! Pop star point! Wave! And don't look back, roll it out. Good. Pop star point, yes! Amalia's not looking back either. Now slow. This person is trying to get back into our lives and they don't deserve us.
We're not having it.
No. Roll it out. Gosh, you look so cute, especially in these collegiate collection hats. I love it so much. Take it down. Party to the side, let's go. This is your prima donna prance. Blow a kiss. Again. Kiss.
Blow a kiss, give a wink, say